Hello, welcome to one more video. In this video, I'm going to show an activity of shapes identification and counting the same time, okay? So you're going to be practicing two skills in the same time with your kids. To do this activity, you need to have some small object. I'm using beans, but you can use anything that you have available at home. And print and cut this document here for you to use, okay? I'm going to leave the PDF for you to download in the description of this video. So this activity is really simple. After you cut, you separate those that are the shapes from those that are the numbers, okay? I'm going to start sorting out the shapes, but if you prefer, you can do with the numbers. It's up to you. So how I'm going to do is, if your kids is still too small, you can give them in order, okay? Or you can make this not arrange it for and ask them to arrange. So it's up to you. You need to test what's better for your kid, okay? So here I'm gonna use already arrange. So I'm gonna put one heart and ask them to tell you what's that, which shape is that. So heart, and how many do they have? One. Which shape is that? Hexagon, and how many do we have? Two. This shape is what? The square, and how many do we have? Three. This shape is circle, and how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what? Star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And octagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now what the kids need to do? First, they need to count using these objects. Here I put the exact number that the kids is gonna need, okay? To make it a little easier for them to identify their own mistakes. So, in the heart, how many do we have? Just one. So I'm gonna put just one. The hexagon, 1 and 2. And the square, 1, 2, 3. Circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally the octagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because I have exactly the number of this small object or the beans that I'm using, if there is some beans that is actually here or some beans that is missing, the kids can identify if they did any mistake during the count, okay? And finally, now to finish this activity, the kids need to identify and match the number. And ask them also to practice the tracing with their hand, with their finger, okay? So ask them which number is this one. 1. Ask them to trace with their finger, like that. And ask them to match. Where here I have just one picture. So I have one heart. So I'm gonna put here. This doesn't need to be in order, okay? You can, for example, sort it out. And that's what kids should identify. Just to make a little challenge for them. Example, which number is this one? 6, and ask them to trace with their finger. 6. And where do I have 6? 6 octagon. So here, 6. Which number is that one? 4. So trace. And where do I have 4? I have 4 what? 4 circles. So here. What's this one? 5. So 3. Where do I have 5? 5 stars. Here. 3. So 3. The 3. Where do I have 3? I have 3 squares. And finally, the 2. What do I have? 2? 2 hexagon. So, okay. So that's it. When they finish, you just need to put everything back. And they can do this as many times as they want, okay? In the next video, I'm gonna do the same activity, but for 7 to 12, okay? Thank you so much for watching.